Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model and voltage. This prevents mismatches. Once done, shut off the main breaker and wear insulated gloves so you can work safely. Next, identify the meter line or the recommended plug-in port on your panel. This is where the device intercepts consumption signals. Make sure to follow the device diagram closely and attach the provided clamp or plug adapter to the live conductor first, then the neutral. This order reduces risk and establishes the initial connection. Once the device has power, observe the status LEDs or boot messages to confirm normal startup. Use the app or onboard controls to set your tariff, grid type, and authorized load limits. This tailoring is why savings are effective. After settings, initiate a calibration cycle. Run for 30 to 60 minutes under a typical household load so the unit learns baseline patterns. While it calibrates, monitor voltage and current readings. If they fluctuate wildly, pause and recheck connections to ensure accurate learning. To finish, enable eco modes and scheduling so the device shifts loads and trims peaks. Phase balancing helps if you have multi-phase supply. Once active, review daily logs to confirm expected reductions and watch for warnings. If a firmware update fails, reboot and retry the update. Make sure the device remains powered during the process. If problems persist, verify current transformer orientation, confirm wiring is tight, and repair the app. These fixes solve most issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.